What's up, guys? Ripping a box of 2014 Black Gold Football for Steve B. Burba. Good luck, Burba. Let's see what you got. All right, here we go. Team symbols, rookie, Johnny Manziel, /99. Dual auto, Devon Street, Zach Martin, /99. Triple jersey, rookie, Dante Moncrief /299. And a team symbols, Geno Smith, Eugene /149. Russell Wilson /199 base. Megatron team symbols /149. The Golden Lion. Apparently, Calvin Johnson is one of the Lannisters. Dual jersey, Brett Favre, Johnny Manziel /149. And nice hit here. Check this out. Little old school loving. 25/25 LT LaDainian Tomlinson. 25/25. Nice hit for Burba. LT auto. LaDainian Tomlinson. Very cool hit. Blake Bortles rookie base /199. And a Khalil Mack rookie parallel /99. That will do it for Burba. Thanks, man. We'll get that right out to you, bud.